So this is Zeus Electricals. We were busy installing some fans today, 2 of them. Yeah, so they are running. As you can see, it's a remote controlled fan. You can press here and there's a light there. You can press here and switch off the light on the fan. You can also increase the speed. Using the remote. Now on for 6. Yeah. The downlights, the switch is by the wall, but only the fan is using the remote control. Yeah. As you can see, you can reduce to 5. You can also switch on the light there by the fan. Change color on the fan. Change the light color on the fan. Yeah. You can increase the brightness. You can reduce also the brightness. Yeah. So this is it. You can switch off using the remote. Yeah, you can see the fan is turned off now, and also the lights. We're gonna turn off the light. This is the light on the remote. I'm gonna turn off that light. Yes. Okay. So this is it for today.